Order.
Ready, and roll sound. Tap it.
24B by shot 1, take 1.
Clap.
And action.
The first clip itself told that this picture has got something to tell. And DOP has a very big hand in this. Sunil Patel has done a great job. And one more thing with Sunil Patel is, आप कुछ भी बोलो ना, वो ना नहीं बोलते.
After this, we get a good cutting with that. क्या बोलते हैं? यहाँ बैठ जाओ, जो भी हैंडल है. चलो, let's take this one.
ये लाइटों से नहीं, थोड़ी आगे में चोरी बच्चे आगे नहीं पाचना टंगे.
DOP Sunil Patel, who's done such a fabulous job, in recreating and capturing the 1910 era in our film.
Every day we'll take at least 2 shots.
देखो तेरा पाना दे रहे.
I mean, Sunil Patel has done such a fabulous job that in the night sequences, because there was no electricity at that point of time, we actually imported a piece of equipment which connected to all the lights, and all the lights would give a natural flicker.
मेरे दिल पे फतेह लहराने, मेरी रूह को भिगाने, ये नूर.
Because there were no light sources, you'd see a lot of fire being sort of burnt in places.
जाने मौला जाने.
We imported a special equipment called a flicker generator from Belgium. Yeah, I think we bought 2 of those. And the entire lighting of the set was put on that flicker generator. So what you see is that there's a constant flicker of lights, as if the lights are coming from a fire source rather than a continuous source, which is a lamp.
He went through the trouble of importing something, using it to give authenticity. I don't think many people go through that kind of trouble.
फिर मैं zoom करूँगा ना. I'll be in between all that room. I will just magnifying her and doing nothing. And action.
For the 1910 era, very honestly, we did a lot of research, but we realized that India was not making films then. Films that Hollywood was making was not of great help because we were a different culture. We had so much different. Kunal's idea on that was that he didn't want to go the typical sepia tone or desat look. In fact, he wanted to go the other way around. He thought that there was less pollution in the 1910s, So the rivers were more cleaner, the skies were more bluer. So we kind of decided to go more saturated, more colorful for the 1910, which is quite contrary to general belief that 1910 is people think it's vintage, it's kind of faded colors, there's monotone. But no, we thought 1910 was more colorful. So we kind of made it more colorful.
Yeah, ये correct.
1960s is, I think PC is a woman of many looks. And what I have done is that I haven't stuck to maintaining a skin tone as would be a normal procedure for any normal film. I'm going to make sure that she looks different. She has different skin tones in every shot. I think that's the strategy for 1960s. And 2011 is England. It's very contemporary, so it's just going to have that normal 2000 contemporary look. I have this technique of running around with lights. I do that quite often.
सुनील सर. अरे यार कोई सपोर्ट तो करो पीछे यार. I thought यहाँ पे कट हो जा रहा था. Are you okay, sir? I thought sir, okay. कट हो जा रहा था. We got the shot actually. Are you okay? I'm fine.
To watch more, log on to www.erosnow.com.